Alright, you guys ready to see the rims? Alright. Gave the car a whole new look. Looks awesome. These are 20-inch rims, MOTO metal. I just got these headlights brand new, and this one here is condensating. I gotta see why, what's going on there. The reason I did this video was I was just excited for the rims, and also I was looking for ideas for older F-150s, 09s. I didn't really see too many pictures with rims. Maybe I couldn't find some. I'm sure there's a lot out there. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea what it looks like with the older trucks. Got a bunch of them, bunch of pictures, bunch of videos with new ones. But here's a video with nice new rims. Alright guys, that's that for my video. Just wanted to share this with everybody. I didn't really see too many videos out there with 09 F-150s that I could find, or pictures or videos. So I wanted to share with everybody. Also, I was excited about the rims, so to show what it looks like with F-150 09 with these MOTO metals. So let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and deuces.